Hi, this is Abdul Rahim. So today I will be doing the listing optimization in this particular product. So let's see. First of all, we can see this is the product title. In here, we need to give this brand name in the capital format, and how many quantity we are providing in this particular listing, and we need to mention that quantity in the end of the product title by using a hyphen. After the man and woman, we need to give a hyphen, and we need to give the details that how much quantity are we providing in this particular product. So the Marketvilla should be given in the bold format, and after that we need to give how much quantity are we providing in this particular product. And coming to the images, you used really good way which the Amazon suggests you to use in the white background. That's fine, but we need to increase a little bit more images in this listing. Actually, we can use 6 or 7 listing. So in this listing, you have used the dimension, showing the dimension, how much length and breadth. That's fine. And we need to show the details like comparison. Why the customers need to choose our product compared to the competitors. So this also drives little bit more conversion rate for this product for this listing. And after that, we can see you have used the bullet points. That's actually really great. But between that, we can see there is one small bullet point. We need to keep this bullet point at the end, as the final bullet point. So that would be making a little bit more easier to read. And in the description, you have given so much details like the dimension and in the importance of everything. That's okay. That's fine, and that's really great. And after that, we can see you have used the app plus content also really well. But as we have established brand, we need to talk about our brand. If our brand, the Market Villa, is fully concentrated on this kind of product, so we need to talk more about our brand. Why, in which state we have established, what all services are we providing. So when we are talking about our brand, the customer will be feeling a little bit more trust in our brand. So this may increase a little bit more conversion rate. So that's a good idea. And after that, we can see you have used graphical images. That's fine, but these things we need to give at the end. The main thing which we need to do is that why the customer need to choose our product. So in that way, we need to define our product, and we need to include the details like advantages of our product, what makes the different from the other products and everything. So these details will be making a sense for the customers, and they will be getting a lot of information. And also they'll be spending a lot of time in our listing. This may increase the visibility of our listing also. And moreover, we need to include the video also in this listing, so the customer will be getting an idea uh, how the product will be after purchasing it. And also the another advantage is that when there is video, the cancellation also will be, the returns will we can also decrease. So that's it. So the review is also really great. You have 3.7 out of 5, but we need to try to increase this 3.7 to 4.5 or 4.6. And you have on the first page, you got really good reviews, but uh, try to achieve 5 star in the first page itself. It gives a really good impression. And we can see for your keyword, you have used 552 keywords, 43 sponsored keywords, and 24 organic keywords. We need to increase this 324 like 3000 or 4000 with less sponsored keywords. So this may increase a lot of conversion rates, and we can increase the sales. So we'll be using, in here we can see magic elastic hair. This particular keyword have really good search volume, so we will be finding the search volume from here, and also from another details which we try to get by comparing the competitors product also. And after that, we'll be making some edits for increasing the sales. So that's it, and thank you, have a nice day.